One thing I don't want to hear in 2025 is I don't know what to wear. There are so many resources for you to find outfits that work for your body type, your style. Let's go ahead and get into it. Today I am recreating my favorite Pinterest outfits. We're going to see what works for my body type, what doesn't, what we like, what we don't like. We can nitpick, we can like it, I guess. Let's go ahead and get into it with the first outfit. So the first outfit we're going to be doing is this one here. I love burgundy. It's one of the colors of this season. That and like chocolate brown. Oh, eat it up. Anyways, I got this coat and I was like, yes, I can't wait to dress it up. I have a little bit of an idea to make it a little bit different, a little bit more my style. So homegirl has on black tights, but I want to switch it up a little bit. We're going to be doing some burgundy tights. Hopefully I'm not breathing too hard into this mic, but I've gone ahead and paired it with a black mock neck bodysuit, and then we've got a black leather or faux leather mini skirt. In the picture I showed, she had on faux leather shorts. Now I do have some faux leather shorts, and I think that is quite cute, but I think a skirt for this look is more my style. Next, let's talk boots. I love a good chunky boot. They're comfortable to walk in. I know I won't have any trouble in them. I thought about doing like a really sexy pump with these. I feel like this kind of completes the look a little bit better. Let's go ahead and try them on. And this is the coat I'm going to be wearing. To me, this outfit is a winner. Very fun, very flirty, very feminine. I like it. Okay, I was gonna dress this up with like a bodysuit. I'll go ahead and show you here how I wore it originally in the haul that I got the jacket in. And I probably would have put on like a stiletto boot with this, but we're gonna dress it down because I saw this look on Pinterest with the Uggs, and I feel like it's casual, it's chill, it's perfect for every day. So let's go ahead and try it. Okay, so right now we've got our base on, and I feel like the most important part of this is the jeans. I wanted a loose fit baggy jean that I know would look like effortless, casual, very chic, and so I got these ones. These ones are from Fashion Nova, I think. I'll link these and some similar ones. There was also another style I wanted to do. The denim is a bit lighter on this one. I may have second thoughts once I try it on, but let's go ahead and put it on with the jacket and the shoes and see how we feel. Okay, so I have a few complaints about this look and me trying this. One, I think my jacket is a bit too cropped for the look. If it was a little bit longer of an aviator jacket, I think that would pair nicely. But this is no giving to me, okay? I like the base. The base is very cute. The shoes are very comfy, obviously. Can't go wrong with an UGG moment. I don't know. It's just something about it. Not 100% feeling. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, but I think this one is a fail for me. So the next outfit is for my girls that are super low-key, i.e. me, okay? All we need are two simple things, which is a tracksuit and a puffy coat. Like, how easy is that? This is probably my most comfortable tracksuit I've gotten from Fashion Nova. It's so comfy, it's quality, it's got the long sleeves. I'm a long arm girly. Short torso, long arms, check in, okay? Anyways, yeah, love how it fits. Let's do the coat. So yeah, this is my favorite outfit. I lied. I thought the first one was. I guess they give two very different vibes. The first one, the Fran I call, was like very cutesy, very girly, and this is very chill, very relaxed. Now in the reference picture, you see that she has on New Balance. I just don't feel like going downstairs to get them. I have kicked them by the door because I wore them earlier today, and I just don't feel like running down there. Everything is set up. I'm not moving nowhere. Anyway, so we just put on some Converses. I probably would definitely go with the New Balance. I'm only using these just as an example. Let me put my sunglasses up. They're cute, don't get me wrong. I just feel like the New Balance would flow better, if that makes sense. I thought I had some dunks I thought about putting on and some Sambas as well. But like, play around with whatever your style is, whatever you like, whatever you want to try. Just do it. There's no rules, obviously, when it comes to fashion, and I feel like looking on Pinterest and getting these ideas is really helpful to finding out what you like, what you don't like, what fits you like, what textures you like, everything. I love me some Pinterest inspo. Next is another casual outfit that I love. Get you a good pair of denim, sis, okay? Because you can't go wrong when you have structured denim that fits good, that's comfortable, that looks high quality, and it's not like, I'm just gonna say cheap jegging material, you know what I'm trying to say? Let's go ahead and try these jeans on with the top, and then the thing that's gonna make this is the trench. Now I have a similar charcoal gray trench. It's not as luxurious as this one, not as structured, which I probably need to invest into. In 2025, I really want to invest in higher quality pieces that I know will last longer, that I know I can wash, that are structured, that just do well over time. I've got a great pair of denim. Let me just show you how they fit in the back. These are from the Loft. When I say I'm shocked that Loft has good jeans for curvy girls, I will go ahead and link to a YouTube Shorts where I tried their denim, and girl, everything. Next we have this coat. She's very lightweight. I wouldn't consider her a winter jacket because she's very lightweight, but she's still cute though. No hate, no discrimination. Okay, so I decided to add the dunks. One, if you know, you know, I am moving my closet to a different room in my house. So everything is all over the place and I can't find my Sambas, even though I thought they were downstairs. Anyway, so I just went ahead and put the dunks on because they were right here. This is definitely a Samba's outfit. This is so casual. This is so nice. What makes it so comfy and nice is the coat. The coat is the look. I love the buttons on it. I love that it's got pockets. Do I wish it had a strap? No, no. I wish I would have gotten one more size up just because of the fit. But other than that, this is cute. So that is it for my little recreating Pinterest outfits on a curvy body. If you guys like content like this, that's my cat if you hear him. Anyways, if you like more content like this, let me know in the comments below. Let me know which one was your favorite outfit that I recreated. And drop me some links to other Pinterest outfits I can recreate. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye.